Do you know how to spell August? What about February or September? Learning all 12 months can be tricky, but it's super important for reading calendars and understanding time. Stick around because we are going to make learning the month's name and how to use them correctly super easy and fun. Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn, and today we are learning month's name. Months are like chapters in a book. There are 12 months in a year and each one has a special name, spelling and importance. Let's go through them one by one with easy examples so that you can remember them forever. First month is January, January. January has 31 days. Let's use the word January in a sentence to learn as an example. Example: January is the first month of the year. Next month is February, February. February has 28 days in normal years and 29 days in leap year. Let's understand this with the help of example. My birthday is in February. Next month is March, March. March has 31 days. Example: we celebrate Holi in the month of March, or we celebrate Holi in March. Next month is April, April. April has 30 days. Example: the festival of Ram Navami is often celebrated in April. Next month is May, May. May has 31 days. Example: May is the hottest month in many parts of India. Next month is June, June. June has 30 days. Example, school usually reopen in June after summer vacation. Next month is JULY, July. July has 31 days. Example, the monsoon rains usually For example, the monsoon rains usually arrive in July. Next month is AUGUST, August. August has 31 days. Example, India celebrates Independence Day in August. Next month is SEPTEMBER, September. September has 30 days in it. Example, Teachers' Day is celebrated in September. Next month is OCTOBER, October. October has 31 days. Example, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in October. By the way, which is your favorite month of the year? Let us know in the comment section below. Next month is NOVEMBER, November. November has 30 days. Example, Children's Day is in November, or Children's Day is celebrated in November. Next month is DECEMBER, December. December has 31 days. Example, Christmas is celebrated in December.